Yes,
the exercise?
I can hear you.
Ma'am,
Thank you,
which
ma'am.
Yes. Factor tree problems are there. How to make it into factors. Some examples I will give you. Afterwards, we can go to
Ma'am, now which exercise, ma'am?
exercise problems. Before that, this Arav is in which class? Who is that? Arav?
ma'am, he is not in our class. Ma'am,
Yes.
don't
It's
admit.
not in our class.
He is not in your class. Some board may be changing. His brothers are there. Sisters are there.
Ma'am, some students, maybe it's not them. Some students will come and make some noises and all.
Yes,
It
is
would
it?
not be brothers and
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Last class, someone entered the name as full stop.
Yes,
yes,
somebody
ma'am.
came.
Full stop.
Yes. Cancel. Comparison of fractions. 1 minute. Divisibility test we did, no? All problems. Yes.
Yes.
All we did. Factor 3. Now we have to do it. Let us see. Questions are there. So what are the factors? Playing with the numbers.
Ma'am, which factor?
Just 1 minute, 1 minute. I will just select it afterwards. Okay, now write some questions. Factor 3 notes I did not give you, no? Factor 3 notes I gave you. 3.4 all we completed.
Yes, we
Before
completed
starting,
that.
you have to write notes in factor 3. You can write.
Ma'am, what is the note?
Yes,
You
I will
mean the
see that.
definition
It is
and
there
all?
or- Factors and multiples.
Ma'am, factor 3 notes means the definition and all?
Let
In
us see.
maths?
No. Yes, definition you have to write and do some problems. Afterwards, we can go for exercise problems.
Ma'am, we have to continue or take a new
Yes.
page. Ma'am, we have to continue or take a new page.
Yes, you have to continue. This one factor we already wrote.
This also wrote.
This one also finished.
Finish, ma'am. This also.
2 numbers has only. This one all finished. Now this one. Okay, let us write. Now factor 3. Factor 3. Prime factorization heading you can write. Prime factorization. Heading you write. Prime factorization. First method is by factor 3 method. First method.
Ma'am, we wrote multiples and common multiples.
Yes, ma'am.
Common.
And we wrote
Multiple.
this multiples and common multiples. We have to write it again.
Common
No,
multiple.
ma'am, we want to write prime factorization, right? You are
Yes,
writing
prime
the
factorization you write.
Okay.
Afterwards, that notes I gave you now.
Yes, ma'am.
Factor 3.
Ma'am, I think you send the multiples and common multiples.
That one after finishing this. Multiples and common multiples, I send the notes.
Yeah, that I am saying that
After
you
finishing that exercise problems. 3.4. Next one you write prime factorization. How will you make it into prime factors?
Ma'am, what is prime factorization?
I will tell you. You are not there in the class, last class, yes or no? Yes. Listen, factor 3 method.
Okay.
Factor 3 method. First one, write the factors of write the factors of 12 by factor 3 method. Factors of 12. Write the factors of 12.
Ma'am, can we
Right.
write our own?
Yes, I will tell you. Factor 3 method.
Ma'am, we completed.
Yes. First question 12. What is the
Ma'am,
first
2 and
factor, Ihan?
Ma'am, 2 and 6.
Ma'am,
First factor you can write.
Ma'am, 2, 6.
You can make the factor as 12. You can write one factor
Ma'am,
as
2
2.
and 6.
Then
2
again
and
second
another
factor
six.
is 6.
ma'am, then 6.
6.
Ma'am,
Again,
2
2 is a prime
and
number. No need of doing it again. 6 again you can write it as 2
2
and
and 3.
okay. Like this is called factor 3 method. So what are the factors of 12? How will you write the factors of 12 now?
2
Ma'am,
into
2 into
Ma'am,
2 into
3.
2 into 3.
12, ma'am. 12.
2 into 2 into 3. Any doubt in that?
no doubt.
No doubt. Yes. Two into 3. Second question shall I give?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
18.
We will do ourselves.
18. Find the
Ma'am,
factors of
ma'am,
18.
we will do ourselves.
Yes. Second one you can write 18 using factor 3 method. (18) using factor 3 method. How will you write Allah's one?
Ma'am, 2
One factor is 2.
2
Into-
answer.
Here you can write 9.
9.
2 is a prime
Then
factor, no need of factorizing. 9 again you can factorize.
Ma'am, 2, 9, then 3.
3 into 3. So what are the factors of 18?
2 into 3 into 3.
Yes.
2 into 3.
2 into 3 into 3. Did you understand this? Steve, any
Yes,
doubt?
ma'am.
Understood.
No doubt.
Steve understood.
Yes.
Yes, Atul, any doubt?
No.
doubt. Vaiga, Sandra, all those understood, no
Yes,
difficulty.
ma'am. No difficulty.
With help. Ihan,
Can you say again the prime factorization?
yes, you are factorizing it. 2 9s are 18. We have to make it into factors as 2 into 3 into 3.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Shall we go to the next problem now?
Yes, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Third example, you can write 24. Third one, 24. How will you write, Steve?
Ma'am,
And
12.
Yes.
And 2
First
12.
factor, you can write it
2
as 2
also.
2
and 12.
12.
2 is a prime number. No need of factorizing it again.
Ma'am, 12
Again, 2 into 6 you can write.
2 into 6.
Ma'am,
Again,
answer is 3 into 2.
So 6. 2 into 3.
2 into 3. So you can make it into small factors and go. That is called prime factorization. Very important. Please understand those who did not understand. Sandra, what are the factors of 24?
Ma'am, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3.
2 into 2 into
2
2
into 2
into
into
3.
2 into 3.
There are 4 factors of 24.
Next question.
So Ihan understood. Pidhel, now is it clear? Allah's one?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. We understood.
Pritha, are you following? Hannah, Stancil, no doubt.
No doubt.
Shall I give the next one? 48.
Yes,
Should
yes,
do it.
yes.
48. What are the factors of 48? Can you do it?
Yes.
Forty-eight.
Yes, ma'am, completed.
Completed. What are the
Ma'am, 2
factors of
into 2 into 2 into 2 into
Yes.
3.
24? You already wrote it. 12 also you wrote it.
Yes.
Next factor. What are the factors of 48 you got?
Ma'am, 2 into 2 into 2
48.
into 2 into 3.
You can write one factor as 2,
Ma'am,
other
two
factor
into
as
4
into
2
24.
and 1
Ma'am,
3.
then 2 12s. Ma'am,
Again,
Ma'am,
you can make
2
2
4
6.
and 2 into
and
12.
6.
Ma'am, then we will get 2 3.
3 into 4.
2
Ma'am, 3
into
into 2.
Yes.
3 into 2.
2
Ma'am,
into
then we will get 2 into 2
2
into
into
2 into
2
2
into
into
2
3.
Ma'am,
into
2 into 2 into 2 into 2
into 3.
into 3.
Yes.
Next one, 20 you write.
Oh my God.
20. Factors of 20.
Easy, ma'am.
Easy.
Yes.
Yes.
28 you already did. Factors of 20.
Ma'am, completed.
Completed.
Ma'am, 2
What-
into 2 into 5.
What are the factors you got for Pidhal?
2 into 2 into 5.
2 into 2 into
2 into 5. Into 5.
Yes.
2 into 2 into
20 factors of 20 are, first one you can write
2 into 10.
20, make it as factors 2 and 10.
10. Then
Second you can write it as
2 and
Ma'am,
5.
2 into
2
5.
and 5. So factors of 20 are
2 into 2 into
2
5.
into 5.
Yes.
Any doubts, Steve? Did you understand? Atul?
Understood.
Understood. Alaspan, any doubt? Vaiga? Next problem. 28 you already did, no?
Yeah.
36, next one you write
Ma'am,
36.
no, ma'am, we didn't wrote 28.
28 you did not do?
No,
Okay.
no.
You
No,
write
ma'am.
24.
4 and 7 you can write.
I
Ma'am,
finished.
we can
4 and 7.
continue. Ma'am, can we continue the 4 and all?
Yes. No, no. 28. 2 into 14 you can write. This one no need of writing. See the answers. Again you can write. So 2 into 2 into
Ma'am, I
7.
have a doubt. Ma'am, why
Yes,
we
tell
are
me.
not writing to the left side, means the 2 side?
Which one?
Ma'am, why we are not writing to the left side of the number, means the from the 2?
Left side also you can write. It is convenient to you.
Ma'am, if it is
Yes.
like that, then we can write 28, 4
Yes.
into 7, and then 4, 2 into 2.
Like that also you can write. No problem. 4 into 7 again you can write it as
2 into
4,
2.
2 into 2 into 7 also you can write it. It is convenient to you, but it should be method. Correct method is you have to make it into prime factors.
Next question.
2 into 2 into 7.
Ma'am, so
Next
here
one.
how, what, 7, 2 into 2 into 7. Yeah.
Yes. 36.
36, okay. 1 second.
Yes. 36. I am going to change the screen.
Yes, ma'am, you can change the screen.
Yes. 36.
I finished.
Finished. What are the factors?
Ma'am, 2 into 2 into 3 into 3.
Yes, let us check it.
Ma'am, 1 second. We are completing.
Not completed.
Ma'am, I got that 2 into 2 into 3 into 3.
Ah,
Yes,
okay,
ma'am.
very good.
That's very good.
So 2 into 3 into 3. Okay.
2 into 2 into 3 into 3.
2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Is it clear now?
Yes.
Amar, are you
Yes, ma'am.
following?
Some 2 and 9 or
2 into 2 into 3 into 3.
2 into 3.
Factors of
Ma'am, we will like 36 2 into 2
ma'am,
into
2
8.
into 8. 18.
2 into 18. 36.
Ma'am, so we want to find the multiple of
Ma'am, 2
factor of
into
18.
2. Ma'am, we will
Two-
get 2 into
2
2
into
into
9
3
also
into
you
3.
can write. 9
For
into you can
9
make
is 3 into 3.
Ma'am,
3
we will
into
get 2 into 2 into
2
3 into
into
3.
2 into 3
3
into
into
2 into. Therefore, factors of 36 are 2 into 2 into 3 into
3
3.
into
Is it
3.
clear now?
Yes, complete.
Yes.
Yes,
Shall we
ma'am.
do the exercise problems?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
You have to read the answer and you have to tell me the answer. First one. 3.5. True or false?
3.5.
3.5.
Ma'am, we want to write the
Yes. 3.5. First question you write. Only first
Okay.
question.
Ma'am, 1 second.
Yes.
A.
A.
Ma'am, which of the following
Which of the following
statements
statements are
true?
true?
Ma'am, we are writing.
Yes. You only one question you write. Don't write all the
We are
questions
writing that.
because it will get late.
Which of the following?
Page number is 61. Page number 61.
Yes, ma'am, completed.
Completed.
No, ma'am.
Yes.
Not completed.
Yes. Vaiga, read the first question.
Okay, ma'am. Which of the following statements are true?
Hmm.
If a number is divisible by 3, it must be divisible by 9.
True or false?
No. False, false.
Ma'am, false.
Ma'am, false. False.
How many of you are telling false? False.
Ma'am,
Yes,
we
they were told false.
False.
Alasfan false. Aldos false. Vaiga false. Ihan, Steve, all are telling false. Yes. Aldos still having doubt. Other also told it is
Ma'am,
false.
but I am saying
Yes, tell me
more
one example
false
for
only.
that. If it is false, you can tell me one example for it.
Ma'am, 3 12s are 36.
Which one?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, 3 12s are 36.
Hmm.
And 4 9s are 36.
That is not the question they asked. If a number is divisible, this is test for divisibility only.
Oh, divisibility.
Divisibility test only, still they are in that only. After finishing that only, they are coming to the factor tree method. If a number is divisible by 3, it must be divisible by 9. 9 also. It must be divisible by 9 also. Any example you can tell me. Tell me any example. For example,
No, ma'am, it could not be. It would false.
true or false.
Ma'am,
They
if
are
it-
telling if
Ma'am,
it's
if,
false.
ma'am, if divisible by 3, if a number is getting 6, then the 9 also would not. Then if
Yes,
if 9 is getting 6, it is not divisible.
it is not divisible. So if you are taking the number 12, 12. How will you check the divisibility by 3, Steve?
3.
We should add
Yes,
Ma'am,
we
we
should
have to
add
add all.
all
all the numbers.
we should add all the digits. How much you will get now?
Ma'am, we will get
1
3.
plus 2, you will
Three.
get it as 3. It is divisible by 3. 12 is divisible by 3.
Yes.
But is it divisible by 9, Sandra?
No.
No, it is
No.
not divisible by 9 because 12 is not divisible by 9. So the statement is false.
False.
Okay. So first answer, what you will write, it is
Ma'am,
false.
false. Ma'am, so we can write a F.
Yes. First one, A part, you can write false.
Ma'am, after
Yes,
that,
Steve. What is the second part? B part.
Number
Yes.
is divisible by 9. It must be divisible by 3.
If it is divisible, one number is divisible by 9, then it is divisible by 3 also. Is it true?
False.
If a number is divisible by 9, then it will be divisible by 3 also.
Yes.
What is the example for divisibility by 9?
Ma'am, you
ma'am,
want
we
to
have to add it.
Add all the digits.
uh,
If it is divisible by 9, then the whole number is divisible by 9. Okay. So what is the example for divisibility by 9? Everything you forgot about divisibility?
Ma'am, like we
No,
have
ma'am,
to
we
say
don't.
one number.
Yes, any number which is divisible by 9.
Ma'am, ma'am, 45.
45 is
Yes, ma'am,
divisible by
45.
9. So
Ma'am,
4
so
plus
it would
5,
be
how
a-
much you will get? 9.
9.
It is divisible by 9. Then 45 is also divisible by 9. Is it divisible by 3 also?
Yes.
No,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes. 4 plus 5, how much you will get?
Ma'am, we will get 9
We
and
will
3
get
threes
it is
are
divisible
9.
by 3. But what they are saying, if it is divisible by 3, no condition for it should be divisible by 9. But if it is divisible by 9, it is sure that it will be divisible by 3. Okay. So is it divisible by 3?
Yes.
Yes. If a number is divisible by 9, then it must be divisible by 3. So second one is true. First one is false. If it is divisible by 3, no guarantee it will be divisible by 9. But if it is divisible by 9, then it is sure that it will be divisible by 3. Are you following?
Yes, ma'am, we are following.
Yes. Atul, what is the third question?
ma'am.
Ma'am, a number is divisible by 18 if it is divisible by both 3 and 6.
Yes. If it is 3 into 6, how much you will get? 18. So
Ma'am, it is false.
it is false. It is true. Because 18 is a factor. It is true. A number is divisible by,
Yes, ma'am, it would be.
it
Yes,
should be
ma'am.
divisible by
Ma'am,
3
because 18,
and it should be
it
divisible
is a
by
fact.
6.
Ma'am, 18 is a 3 and 6. It is a factor of 18.
So first one, now if a number is divisible by 18, if it is divisible by both 3 and 6, 18, it is false. Not true. If it is divisible by 3 and 6, no condition that it is divisible
okay.
by 18 also. So it is
Okay,
false.
ma'am.
Third one, you can write it as false.
Ma'am, but if the number is 18, then it would be divisible by 3 and 6.
Which one? Yes,
Ma'am,
if it
if
is
it-
18, then it should be divisible by 3 and 6.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
But if it is divisible by,
18, then it would not be.
yes, it will not be. What is the D part?
Ma'am, ma'am, if a number
Yes,
is
Aldos.
divisible by
If
Ma'am,
a
if
number is
is
divisible by 9 and 10
9
both,
and 10 both,
then it must
then
be
it must
divisible
be
by
divisible
90.
by 90.
Yes, it is true. It is true. C is false. D is true. Yes, Zeba, what is the E part?
Ma'am, if two numbers are co-primes At least one of them must be prime.
At least one of them must be prime. If two numbers are co-prime, then at least one must be prime. Any condition for it? What do you mean by co-prime
Ma'am,
numbers?
Ma'am, co-prime means when
There is no
both
proper
two numbers
factors.
are having
Which are
only
co-prime numbers?
ma'am
2
2,
and 3
3.
are co-prime numbers. At least
Okay.
one of them must be prime.
Yes, both are prime.
Both are prime.
Yes.
Then
Ma'am, so it is true.
5 and 6 you take. 5 and 6.
Yes, it is true, ma'am. Because 5 is a
5
co-prime.
and 6. What type of numbers are they?
Ma'am, prime and
Co-prime
composite.
numbers. They are co-prime numbers. There is no proper factors except 1. So are they 6 is prime number?
Ma'am, 6 is composite.
Composite number. So always
It's
it
not a
will not
prime
be
number.
correct. So it is a false statement. E is false. Always it will not be. Yes, next one. Anlin, can you read the F part? Anlin.
Can I
Yes, tell me.
read?
Yes.
All numbers which are divisible by 4 must also be divisible by 8.
Is it true? All numbers which are divisible by
false.
4, it should be divisible by 8.
Ma'am, false.
False.
Ma'am,
Because
false.
if it is higher number is 8. If it is divisible by 8, then it will be divisible by 4.
Yes.
But there is
Yes.
no condition that if it is divisible by 4, it should be
It is not
divisible by 8.
Ma'am, if a sum of number is getting 4, then the 8 would never get that number divisible.
Never get now. Some examples you will get it. 4 for 16.
Ma'am, I'm like the sum is 4, then it won't.
Yes.
the
If
sum
it is
is 4.
divisible by 4, then it is not divisible by
8.
8.
Ma'am,
100.
not full.
100 is divisible by 4. But 100 is not divisible by 8.
8.
So there are some numbers. Exceptional cases are there. Therefore, no guarantee that if it is divisible by 4, it should be divisible by 8 also. So it is false. Always it is not correct. In some cases it will be there.
Ma'am, like
Yes.
the 1, 8 and
Yes. Next condition. What is the next condition, Anlin? What is the next condition?
ma'am, page number 62.
Page number 62. Yes, Atul. 62.
Ma'am,
It's a G problem. Can you tell me true or false?
G.
G.
Ma'am, I should say true or false.
Yes. Read the question.
All numbers which are divisible by 8 must also be divisible by 4.
4. Is it true or false? Yes, it is true. Because if it is divisible by 8, then it is divisible by 4
Yes,
also.
ma'am, that
So
would
it is
be true. Yes. Ma'am, 9 and 3.
Yes. Yes, Amar, can you read the next question, H? Can you read the next question?
Mom, can you hear me?
Yes. Anna, can you read the H problem? H problem. Aldos, can you read the H problem?
Yes, ma'am. If a number exactly divides two numbers separately, it must exactly divide their sum.
their sum. You can, if a number exactly divides two numbers separately, then it must exactly divide their sum also. You can see it. For example, you take 4 and
8,
6.
6.
Is it divisible by 2?
Yes.
4 is divisible by 2. 6 is also divisible by 2.
2, yes.
So what is 4 plus 6?
Ma'am, 4 plus 6, it is 10.
10. Is
Yes,
it
10
divisible
is,
by 2?
yes, 10
Yes.
is also.
So,
Ma'am, so
ma'am.
it is
if
true.
numbers
5
are
into 10,
separately divisible, then it is divisible
5
by
into
its
2, 10.
sum also. So whether it is true or false, it is
True.
Ma'am,
true.
true. Ma'am, next is I problem.
Yes, next one. If a number exactly divides the sum of two numbers, then it must be divide the two numbers separately. If two numbers exactly divides the sum of two numbers, then it must exactly divide the numbers, two numbers separately. Can you tell me one example of that? If a number exactly divides the sum of two numbers,
Yes, ma'am,
it is true or false?
ma'am, true. Is it true?
If a number exactly divide the sum of two numbers,
Ma'am, false.
yes, it is false. It is not true.
Ma'am, can you show an example?
Yes, example I will tell you.
Ma'am, is it?
2 and no, it is not true. 18. If a number divides the sum of two numbers, then it must be divide the two numbers separately. Now 15. Nine and 6. 9 and 7. You can take it. What is
Okay,
the
ma'am.
sum of 16? 16 is divisible by 2. Yes or
Yeah.
no?
Yeah. Yes.
16 is the sum of any two numbers. So you can take the sum of any two numbers as 9 and 7. Is it divisible by 2? 16 is the sum of two numbers.
Okay.
Two numbers are there. Which are the two numbers? You are taking any two numbers. You have guarantee of this. What is the sum of 9 and 7?
Ma'am, 6.
9 and 7 is 6. You take the number
16.
16.
Okay. Yes.
Is it divisible by 2?
Ma'am, 16 is yes.
16 is divisible by 2. But if you split the number as 9 and 7,
Okay.
9 and 7 you take. Is it 9 is divisible by 2?
No.
No. 7 is
No.
also not divisible by 2. So it should not be always true. Okay, 16 is divisible by 2, but it is not divisible by 9. It is not divisible by 7 also. So that is an exceptional case. So you can say that if the sum is divisible by 2, then no guarantee of it is independently divisible by 2. Shall we do some next one more second main also? Any doubt in this? Shall we go to the next
No,
topic?
ma'am.
Ma'am, we can go to the next one.
Topic. Yes, Ihan. You have to fill up and tell me second main now. Yes, second main.
Mama, I finished doing.
Factor 3 you finished.
Yes.
Yes. Tell me now.
Mama will tell.
60.
Yes, ma'am.
60 they made as factors. First factor they made
Ma'am, 6, 10.
6 and 10.
Ma'am, 2
Next one.
into
Yes.
3.
One factor is 2 they made.
2 and 3.
Yes.
Next factor is 3.
So 3 you have to fill up there. Yes, here 5. And what is the next number should come?
Yes.
Anyone is having doubt? Which
No,
number you
ma'am.
have to fill up? Steve, which are the numbers you have to fill up there? 2 and the next one is also 2. Yes, Vaiga, you can tell me the next
Ma'am,
problem, B part.
We can write 230. Ma'am, we can write it as 230.
230, yes. Which one?
Ma'am, 2 into 30 for 60. 2 into 30.
No, first one 6. First one over?
Ma'am, second one 30 into 2.
Yes. First one 60, they made factors. 60. Here they are on 30.
Okay.
Here they are
Ma'am,
on.
so we'll get
Ross, what it should come now?
Ma'am, we will do.
And 30 into 2. 2.
ma'am, 30 into 2.
Yes.
And again 10,
Ma'am,
10
30
into 3.
10 into 3.
3
So which
times.
one you have to fill up? Here 2. Next one 3. And
Ma'am,
next
10
one is
into 3.
again what you have to fill up here 5.
Ma'am, and 2 into 5. 2 into 5.
Yes,
2
2
into
into 5. So 5, 2, 3, 2 you have to fill up there. I think you understood about the factor 3.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
No doubt.
Yes, ma'am. We understood clearly.
You understood clearly. Okay. Those who are present. Those who are absent, I don't know about. Yes, Allah's fun. Can you read the third? Shall we go to the next problem or I should wait?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, Allah's fun. Third main.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, we can.
We can go. Yes, Allah's fun. You can tell me the third main.
I will tell.
Allah's fun will tell. Yes, third main you read now. Allah's fun. Can you read it fast?
Can I read?
Allah's fun. What happened? Yes, tell me now. Yes.
Ma'am, which factors are not included in the prime factorization of a composite number?
Yes. Which numbers are not included? Can you tell me?
Ma'am, 2.
No. 2 you are always factorizing.
Then 3, 5,
Three.
But which is the first number we are not included?
Three,
Neither
three,
prime nor composite number.
1.
1.
1.
1 and the same number.
Ma'am, 1.
1. 1 is
Ma'am,
yes. Which number, which factors are not included in the prime factorization of a composite number?
Ma'am,
1
that is
and
1.
7.
Answer is 1. 1 and the same number.
Yes, 1 and the same number. Yes.
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 Ma'am, because in composite numbers we can do another numbers like 4, 2, 2. In 4 number composite 2 into 2. Like that.
Yes. Next one. One more problem we can do it. 2 more minutes are there.
Ma'am, can I read?
Yes, read now, Ihan.
Write the greatest 4-digit number and express it in terms of its prime factors.
Yes. Which is the greatest highest 4-digit number?
Ma'am,
9,999
99.
and express it as a prime factors. So the first factor will be 9 and the next factor will
Ma'am,
be
is it 1,000?
how much?
Ma'am, is it 1,000?
I think 1 1
Ma'am,
1
1 1, yes. Ma'am,
9
4 ones.
9 9
9
9
9.
1 1 1 1. Yes, this is the first factor. Can you make it into factors? You have to see again.
Ma'am, in 9 we can do 3 into 3.
9 into 9 you can do, 3
Ma'am,
into
3
3.
into 3.
Ma'am, attendance.
Yes, attendance I will take.
Ma'am, 1
1111. There are proper factors you should see now.
No factors.
Yes. Now factors. 11 you can divide and see. 11.
Yes.
1 plus 1, 2. So it is divisible by 11.
Ma'am, 10:50 we have a remedial class.
Yes.
Ma'am, 11 into how much?
101.
1.
If you are multiplying
Ma'am,
this, you will get.
we cannot do that 11. We cannot divide
Yes.
it. Ma'am, 101.
101 into 11. Again, you cannot. So the factors
Ma'am,
are
101 we can it is divisible, I think.
100 and okay. Bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, thank
If
you.
you are not understood, you are
Thank
coming.
you, ma'am.
Bye bye.
Attendance.
10:45.
Bye bye.